Welcome guys, so today I am with Sony WF XM3 earbuds and I'm going to show you how we can download the latest version of software on this device. So at the first we have to be connected with Sony headphones application. If you don't have this app on your phone, you have to go for the Play Store and get it right here. Play Store, App Store or App Gallery, it depends what device you are using. When you have this application you have to open, then just simply connect. Look at also a tutorial how to make it in our YouTube channel. And next you have to select the headphones right here. Next go for the system. Then you have to scroll down and enable this option, automatic download of the software. And you can tap on this arrow right here next to the switcher. And as you can see we can pick always automatic download. And after that, each time Sony release new update of software for this exact model, now you will be up to date, so you don't have to basically worry about manually updating this software, because it will be always downloaded automatically. So yeah, that's how we can make it. There's no other way to get new software update of these earbuds. If you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe.